Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to find drivers for your MacBook. So in order to do this, let's press on our Go icon right here in the top place of our screen. Now let's go for the computer. Here we'll need to locate, I'm already in the drivers section, but here let's locate the data. Like this. So pop it up, now go for the system, then locate library, but it needs to be subfolder for system and not library in the data. So let's click on that. Now let's find extensions. If it's in the alphabet order, it should be right here under the D. And here you'll be able to find all the drivers in their kernel extensions. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.